Hey friends, this is Andy and today I'm sharing a ground turkey sweet potato skillet. First you'll need to add the ground turkey to a frying pan over medium-high heat. You can use a spatula to break up the ground turkey into smaller pieces. Once that's done, you can add the chopped sweet potato right away because it will take a little while to cook and soften. Be sure to cut the sweet potato into bite-sized pieces so that it will cook faster. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you can add the chopped onion, minced garlic, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, salt, and ground pepper. Give this a good stir and then cook for another 10 minutes or until the sweet potato starts to soften. Continue to stir, preventing anything from burning on the bottom. And then poke the sweet potato with a fork to tell if it's done or not. Once the sweet potato and ground turkey are fully cooked, you can sprinkle the top of the skillet meal with mozzarella cheese, dish onto plates, and serve. This easy meal can be eaten on its own or served with rice or pasta. I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of a dinner recipe that's healthy, easy to make, and budget-friendly. For more easy family-friendly recipes, visit my website at andyann.com.